Dear friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will talk about something that forms the core of all education. Yet, it is one thing we often overlook the most, that is self-awareness and mindfulness. It's that very skill which makes a student successful, a teacher truly inspiring, and a human being calm and wise. And if you wish to live life a little more lightly and a little more deeply, then this video is for you. Sometimes I feel we humans have taken life far too seriously, as if existence were some kind of final exam where one wrong answer could doom us forever. But what if? What if life is not a test, but a game where the point is not to win, but to understand how beautifully it can be played? When we were children, we played effortlessly. We became astronauts, doctors, magicians, not because it mattered who won, but because the play itself was a joy. We gave our whole hearts to the game, yet deep inside we knew it was just play. When someone called us for dinner, we stopped without resistance. No heartbreak, no crisis, just flow. But somewhere, as we grew older, we forgot how to play. We got lost in our roles: teacher, parent, manager, or friend, and began to mistake them for our true identity. We became method actors in the theater of life, so absorbed in the part that we forgot we were acting. Gautam Buddha said, "Be a light unto yourself, and that light is awareness." You are not your name, you are not your achievements or failures. You are the consciousness that observes them, like the sky watching clouds pass by, untouched by the storm. This is where self-awareness begins, when you step back and see yourself not as the role you play, but as the witness behind it all. In psychology, we call this self-awareness, the ability to watch your own thoughts without becoming trapped in them. And when awareness meets acceptance, it transforms into mindfulness. Mindfulness is not a trick. It's not about closing your eyes and running from reality. It's about opening your awareness fully to this very moment, without judgment, without control. Imagine standing by the ocean. Waves rise and fall endlessly, some calm, some wild, yet the ocean never fights them. It just allows them to come and go. That's mindfulness, watching your inner waves with the same quiet strength. We have turned life into a race. We rushed through school to get to college, through college to get to work, through work to finally rest. And one day we sit quietly wondering, where did life go? But life was never waiting at the finish line. It was happening all along. In the laughter between deadlines, in the quiet cup of coffee at sunrise, in the simple act of breathing. You don't dance to reach the final step, and you don't listen to a song just to hear the last note. The joy is in the moment, in the melody of each passing moment. Once you realize this, you begin to see that you are not just a player, you are the entire game itself. Like in a dream, you might be running from a monster, but when you wake up, you realize you were both the dreamer and the dream. That's what awareness feels like, the recognition that all of life is happening within you, not to you. When someone criticizes you, instead of reacting, you can pause and ask, what is life trying to show me through this moment? Every situation becomes a mirror, every person a teacher, and that shift from reaction to reflection is the beginning of wisdom. As the philosopher Socrates said, the unexamined life is not worth living, and awareness is that examination. You don't have to be the same person you were yesterday. You can reinvent yourself every single day. One moment a student, the next a guide. One moment broken, the next reborn. Let me share a story. Once a wise teacher was asked, how do you stay so calm in every situation? He smiled and said, when I am hungry, I eat. When I am tired, I rest. The listener laughed, but everyone does that. The teacher replied, no, most people don't. When they eat, their mind is somewhere else. When they rest, they are already worrying about tomorrow. That's the secret, to be where you are. That's mindfulness in its purest form. You attract the rhythm you play. Your awareness writes the music of your life. When you awaken, you help others awaken too. Your peace inspires peace. Your calm creates calm, because awareness is contagious and love is its purest form. Live lightly, laugh deeply, and let every moment teach you how to be more alive. Because in the end, the goal is not perfection, it is presence. So this was a journey into self-awareness and mindfulness, a reminder that peace doesn't wait for the future. It begins here, now, within you. I'm Dr. Rizwan. Thank you for listening, reflecting, and for walking this mindful path with me. If the message touched you,